Hello, in day 3 we are going to learn the commands like object place and then its properties. Let's learn these commands in Lumion. In order to place the object, just after the material option we have the object. Click on that object option and then make sure you are in the place mode to place the object. So once you click on the place mode, here you can see a different types or categories of the object, that is nature related object, transport, sound, effects, indoor, people and animals, outdoor, light and utilities. Depending on the requirement which type of the component you want, you just click on that category. So once you click, you will get the icon related to that component or library, or you can say family. Then just select on the tree. You get a huge collection of the trees depending on the requirement, whether you want to place a medium leaf trees, large leaf trees, coconut plants, flower plants, like this. First you select the main category and then next come to the sub options. Here also you can switch. As I already told you, in the higher version you can see more options than this. Now again I am just selecting on the one option, click on the wanted flower plant and then place it. So once you place, if you want to edit or modify it, then come to the move mode. Make sure you are in the move mode to edit it. And then next we have the options like move, size, change height and then rotate heading. Click on the move object and make sure you select on that particular vertex or control point and then you can move it. So here you can see the distance from the origin. I am moving in the x direction or y direction or z direction. Even you can go with the coordinate. Here I am giving 10 from the origin. You can see here. Next, if you want to undo the movement, then you have a undo option to move it. Next, we have the size object. You can change the size of the plant like this. Even you can go with the bar, that is size, like this. Next, we have the change height option. By using this arrow, select on that, click over this point and then you can change the height in by up and down like that. And then if you want to rotate, click on the rotate heading. Either you can pick that vertex to rotate it or else you can give the angle. In the higher option we have x and y and z coordinate angle. And if you want to delete, we have the trash object here. Take that one and then make sure you are selecting on that particular snap point or vertex point. Just pick it to delete. We can undo it one time by using the undo option. Now along with this move, size and then change option, in order to get more properties of the plants, you can go with the context menu option and then select that point over the plant and then you can go to the selection method, that is selection. But before this we should have the number of trees. I just come back by pressing escape. Click on the place mode and switch on the select object. Go with the required categories of the plants and then place it. You can place it number of times where you want like this, or else you can copy it. For that I just come out by pressing escape. Now if I want to copy this flower plant or into multiple times, then make sure you are in the move mode and then click on the move object. Select that particular object. Here you can see we don't have any copy command or option. By using the alt option you can copy it like this. So this is how you can get a copy of the selected object like this. Even you can copy the coconut tree, but before that make sure you are selecting the control point of the coconut tree and then by pressing Alt and move you can copy it. Even we can place it in an array form. For that I just now come out from the selection mode, just select on the deselect all mode, then next I am just moving up. Now make sure you are in the place mode and select the particular type of the plant. So here we have the single placement object, just below that we have the mass placement. In the 8.5 version we have only one option, that is mass placement. In the higher version you have a cluster, mass placement, polar or circular placement, like that. Now I just go with the mass placement and then click the first line of your mass placement. That means this is the path I am giving now, and the second path, first point of the path and then second point of the path. Once you done, you will get the number of options, that is number of items, direction, like this. If you want to increase the number of items, then you can just scroll it like this. Even you can see the number, that is 29, 37, like that. Next, even you can change the direction. For that I am just moving forward little, very near to the coconut tree, so that we get idea exactly. Next direction you can change the direction of the tree. Random size, in alternative pattern also you can just change the direction. Random spacing. Next, random offset from the baseline, you can change it like this. Even you can place these components in a cluster wise randomly. Next, if you want to add the different categories of the plants, then here we have the plus sign to add it. Click over that, you will get the nature library or tree library. Then you can switch like this. Again you click on the plus sign and then add it like this. Again you click and then switch it to the different category. So like this way you can go on adding the different categories of the plants. Now here we have the right mark or OK mark and cancel mark to cancel it. So if you want to move ahead, then you just click on the OK option. So once you place, again you come on to the move mode to edit it. Now if I want to delete one type of the tree, that is coconut tree, I want to delete it rather than deleting individually. So it takes time here. If you go with this method, I just do Ctrl Z. As I already told you, this is the context menu. To select it multiple parts of the components, click on the context menu and then you have to select one category, which one you want to delete. Now I want to select on the coconut category. Select. Once you select, you will get the selection method and then transformation option. Go to the selection option. Now if I want to select the identical object, that is coconut tree itself, then you select the identical object like this. So that this is how we selected the similar kind of the coconut. And then even not only for delete, you can move it however you want, like this. And then you can scale up it and then you can change the height of that trees and then you can rotate the trees. And if you want to delete, use the trash object to delete. And this is how we can do, and one time we can undo it, and that's it. Next, if you want to delete the whole category of the plant, then again I go to the context menu, select any one type of the category, go to the selection mode. Now I say select all the objects in a category, means the different types of the categories, like this. And then you can edit, move, scale, change the height and then rotate, and then you can delete it. This is how you can edit the objects. Now again I go to the place mode and just switch into the different categories, that is transport. And then here we have the buses, car, construction related vehicles. Next, truck. Depending on the requirement, you just go to the category and then take and then place it. So once you place, so if you want to do the editing, as I already told you, for the tree command or tree object, you just go with the same option, that is single placement, mass placement, move, size, change the height and rotate. Rather than this, we have, along with this, we have the extra properties or more properties. Just at the right portion we have the show more properties option. Click over that to change the color of the car like this. I'm just moving the camera little to get a better idea. So this is how you can change the color of the car, which one you want to. Next, so if you want to off the driver, then you can just off it here. Just have a look on my cursor, make it off and on. And then we have the light option. In the day view we can't ignite the light, so if you want to ignite, then you just increase the light option to ignite it. I'm just changing the weather to make it more powerful. This is how you can change the light intensity, which we have by default. Then again I'm changing the weather into day, and then come to the object mode. Make sure you are in the move object, select that particular car and then do the changes. Next, I just come out from the selection mode by clicking on the deselect all, and then go to the place mode, and then you can go to the sound option. While creating walkthroughs, here you will get the different types of the sound: school sound, gym sound, shop sound, hotel sound, nature related, things related, people related. Depending on the category, you just place that sound where you want. So once you place, you go to the option, that is you can change the volume of the sound, and you can increase or decrease the distance of that particular sound like this. Now I am just deleting. Click on the effect to get a water effect, smoke effect, fire effect, fog effect, leaf effect. So depending on the requirement, you just select on the type of the water. If you have a mountain model in your SketchUp model, then just create the fountain structure in the SketchUp, and then in the Lumen you can show the water over it. Once you place, not only move, size and then these things, even you can get the show more options to customize the water flow like this. This is the emitter length, what length you want to keep, angle of stream downward like that, size, water pressure, how much pressure you want, foaminess, extra color you can add it little. So like this way you can change the fountain color also. Now I am again switching on the different category. So if you want to show fall and all, then you can just switch into the category, and then you can show the fountain like this, and then you can scale up it depending on the requirement. You can change the height of that like this. Same thing, you can change the more properties of that particular object. Next, again click on the place mode, indoor. While doing the interior projects, you just go with the interior furnitures which are related to electronics, food, and then kitchen, lighting, plumbing, seating like this. Just take it and place it, and then you can do the editing. People we have, in the people, some of the peoples are stagnant and then some are animated. So just have a look here, take this one and then place it. So this is animated people. Now I just take a stagnant one, this one. So this is how you can place the categories of the object depending on the requirement. Even you can switch into the different category, that is boys, girls, pet, dog, cat, like that. Just go with the extra modify options to move it, scale it and then rotate it. Same like that way we have the outdoor category. Along with your model, if you want to develop the city and all the stuff, or if you want to show the site condition, then you can just take the house and then place it. Once you place, you can do the editing like move, rotate and then scale. Next, along with this we have the light and utility. This light and utility we can see when we import the SketchUp model. So this is about how you place the different categories of the objects along with its properties. In the next video we learn the other commands. Thank you.